Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your internet connection with Comcast, detailed guide step by step clearly. To protect your internet connection with Comcast, begin by accessing your router's settings. Open a web browser on a device connected to your network. In the address bar, type in your router's IP address, typically 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.10. Press enter to reach the router's login page. Enter your router's username and password. If you haven't changed these defaults, consult your router's manual or check online. Once logged in, navigate to the Security Settings section. Change the default network name, or SSID, to something unique. Next, set a strong password for your Wi-Fi network. A strong password should include a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. After changing your password, enable WPA3 or WPA2 encryption if available. This will enhance the security of your wireless connection. Look for options to disable WPS, or Wi-Fi protected setup. While WPS is convenient, it can also be a security risk. Consider creating a guest network for visitors. This keeps your main network secure and isolates guest devices. Next, check if your router's firmware is up to date. Firmware updates often include important security patches. If an update is available, follow the prompts to install it. After updating, make sure to restart your router. To further secure your network, consider enabling MAC address filtering. This allows only devices with approved MAC addresses to connect. Set a schedule for your Wi-Fi network to turn off during non-peak hours. This reduces exposure to potential threats during times when no one is home. Finally, regularly monitor devices connected to your network. This helps you spot any unauthorized access quickly. By following these steps, you can significantly enhance the security of your Comcast internet connection. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.